It will not surprise me if I leave here with a tremendous backlash, because the place I need to cast is right into the wind. It's blowing about 20 miles an hour. Oh my God, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a really good one. That's a really freaking good one, guys. That's a good one. That is a good one. That's like a 5. No, it's not. It's like a 3.5, 4. That's a really good one, though. No, that's like a 3. Holy cow. Holy cow. No, not nearly as big as I thought. Still a good fish. Hooked him on the side a little bit. That's why he felt so much bigger. Ready? Oh, that was scary. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, baby. That's good when you pull up to a spot and catch them that fast. There he is. Is that a good one? I think that's a good one. No, it's not. Oh, it's a big Kentucky. Oh, a big Kentucky. I thought he was bigger, but hey, fish is a fish. Boom. Okay, Kentucky, he'd be a good keeper. Kentucky, to start out the day, the fishing tourney. The fish. He wasn't huge, but just fishing for fun. And I got another one. Oh yeah. Oh, big, 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 big. Oh, biggin, baby. Oh yeah, baby. No, I don't. It's not a biggin. I just hooked him weird. It's an even smaller Kentucky. Dude, I don't know why he felt so big, but he did. That is the ugliest Kentucky I've ever seen. He's seen a thing or two. That was my second cast. Or second cast in a row. Yes. Oh, it's a good one too. Oh, this could be actually good. Oh, it's a big old small. He came off. Oh my God. Dang it, dude. That was a big smallmouth. Oh my God. This might be my PB. This might be my PB. Might be my PB, guys. Oh my God, that was my... That was my PB. That was like a 7-pounder. Oh my God. This is a pretty good. Bacon. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. A lot of bacon bits of fish. He's decent. Not at all bacon. It's a little largemouth. On that crankbait, I have no idea who makes. Oh, he's bigger than I thought he was. That's a okay one. Yeah, these hooks stick them. If I would have had that, I would have got that big one. This has mustaches on them. Decent little 1.5 pounds, maybe 2. Another good one. Another giant. Oh. Gosh. Oh my gosh. Another good bass. Holy cow. This one ain't as big, but I'll take it. big KY. It's a solid Kentucky right there. Oh my gosh. This is a giant. This is a freaking tank. Oh my lord. Look at that hook. Please be a big largemouth. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at the size of that freaking largemouth. Oh my gosh. No, oh my gosh. Did you see the one with it? The one with it though. Oh yeah. Let's go. Oh my gosh. There he is. That's a good one. Right off that point. That's a pretty good one. What is it? It's a Kentucky. That's why it feels good. Hey, it's not a bad Kentucky.